Most people think artificial intelligence is here to steal their jobs. Whilst that may be true, but you would agree with me that artificial intelligence will not replace you. It is the person who uses artificial intelligence that will replace you. Welcome to Not From Here Network. My name is Lekon, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about quick story. Our parents told us not to get into strangers' vehicles growing up. Except you're trying to get kidnapped. But in 2009, Uber launched operations in California, and people started to get into strangers' vehicles to their respective destinations, right? Now that's about to be traditional because we are now leveling up into an economy that is powered by AI. The transportation system will be voice activated only, voice AI. Not the voice of God though, a voice. Artificial intelligence will not replace you. It is the person who uses artificial intelligence that will replace you. World Economic Forum says AI will be replacing over 85 million jobs by the end of 2025, and that's in 2 years. But you see, half of the job that exists today did not exist some decades ago. Our generation is experiencing a takeoff from traditional systems of productivity to much more intelligent platforms, much more intelligent technologies. Question is, what jobs will be replaced? So personally, I think customer service related jobs and data entry related jobs are most likely to be replaced in the event of we adopting the AI technologies fully. And this is why. In light of the introduction of voice AI and video AI, this means there's definitely going to be substitution of humans for AI, softwares that are powered by AI technologies. Organizations are most likely going to replace their customer service operatives with AI technologies, thereby automating their activities in a standard model of operation without human error. And this will affect data entry jobs also due to the high margin of human error involved in collecting data. So most organizations are likely going to automate their systems using the AI technologies. And guess what? They will be cutting their overhead expenses by replacing you with AI. So will AI replace humans? Short answer, no. Long answer, maybe. When calculators were invented, the mathematicians didn't die. It only improved their efficiency. So say for example, as a developer, AI is only going to be assisting you. So that means your productivity will be multiplied. As a developer, you can produce the results of 5 developers because you are assisted by the AI technology. So you can either get left behind in the dust or you can adapt, upskill, and dominate. Here are 6 AI tools I think you should learn. You'll find very useful. Creatives, businessmen, you're looking to scale your business into the next profitable version. These are tools that you can use to improve your business, small business, creators, social media people, and largely everyone that's inclined with the Internet of Things.
All right, so first on the list is Framer. Website is www.framer.com. Framer makes building professional sites easy. It's fast and fun while delivering the best-in-class SEO, performance, and hosting. It uses AI to generate beautiful websites from raw idea to a real page in seconds. It is human created also. So there are different template types that you can use for your landing pages, for businesses, agency, portfolio. It uses completely artificial intelligence, no coding at all, no coding. So you can, number 2 is video.ai, video.ai. It makes short videos from long ones instantly. It automatically creates shots from your long form videos. This is very useful for creators, podcasters, YouTubers that create long form content. So you can easily create shots for your social media platforms, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, whatever it is. You can use this website, this AI-powered tool to create shots from long form videos. You can use it for advertising, marketing of your content. You can also find other features, cutting edge features on this website too. You can auto caption your videos, your clips, auto resize your clips, also social media integrations and templates that you can use for your videos. And also the creation time is very short. You don't have to, it's hassle-free and extremely fast. InVideo.io basically generates a script using AI, using templates, text templates, or convert your article or blog into a video in minutes using generative AI powered by text to video editors. So you can easily create your stock videos. You can tell a story using InVideo.io. So you can actually start a new revenue stream with this, turn the videos into monetizable assets and sell them on platforms, on sites, and helps you to gain new customers and scale your business. It also saves you time and optimizes your workflow. So the Midjourney AI.ai is similar to the InVideo.ai, but this case simply converts your prompts, your text to images. It uses generative AI to convert your instructions in form of text to images. You can use it to create background wallpapers. You can use it to sell a merch, create a merch that you can resell and sell on platforms like Redbubble. You can sell products. If you're a digital product seller, you can use it, an income stream, and sell digital products on platforms. And finally, we have the script. The script uses the power of AI to skip the hard part of editing videos. You can remove backgrounds, remove video backgrounds, filter words, and background noises also. You can clone your voice in just one click. You can also include subtitles and captions in your videos. So basically, the assignment of the script is to minimize the time spent in editing. The script can easily take out the ha's and the plosives and the gaps, the spaces between your videos. The power of the script using the AI tool is incredible.
So I'd like to hear from you. If you found value in this video, you can tell me what jobs you think will be replaced also. And sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. But you see, half of the jobs that exist today did not exist few decades ago. But you see, half of the jobs that exist today did not exist few decades ago.